I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up notifications on your PNC online account can help you stay on top of your finances. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the PNC website and logging into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your preferences. Step 3. Select notifications. In account settings, look for the notifications section. Click on it to view your notification options. Step 4. Choose your notification preferences. You will see various types of notifications available, such as transaction alerts or balance updates. Select the ones you want to receive. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferences, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. If you forget this step, your settings won't be updated. Now you are all set to receive notifications that will keep you informed about your account activity. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.